Today is going to be a really useful lesson. It's going to be all about the verb to get. Oh, very important news. I now have an Instagram and you can communicate with me on there. So what does get mean? Don't tell me that it means to obtain, because that is only one of the many uses for get. Today I've got a really useful video for you. It is all about the verb to get and the many uses that it has, so make sure you watch right to the end. So, if you look in an English dictionary, you will probably find that there are around 50 uses, 50 individual uses for the verb to get. Now, I've managed to group some of these uses into 7 categories, and today we're going to talk about 6 of them. I'm going to talk to you about how the verb to get can be used to replace to arrive, to receive or to obtain, to become, to bring, to buy and to find, and it can also be added to have or to have to. I will then discuss some of the many phrases and expressions that can be used with to get. Now, I do have phrasal verbs written here, but I'm not going to talk about those today. If you don't know what a phrasal verb is, I do have a video about how phrasal verbs are made and how we use them. Now, there are a lot of phrasal verbs that use the verb to get, but there are too many to talk about today. So I promise you that I will make another video all about phrasal verbs using get. So the first one, to travel or to arrive, very similar. How did you get to London? I got here by train. Now this could mean, how did you travel to London? I travelled here by train. Then we have, what time did you get here? I got here at 10:30. Well, in this case, get means arrive. What time did you arrive here? I arrived here at 10:30. So now we're on to receive or to obtain. So here are 5 examples of situations where get can replace to receive or to obtain. So I got a letter in the post. I received a letter in the post. I hope I get a promotion. I hope I receive a promotion. I think you get the idea now. So he's not going to get an apology. I get presents at Christmas, and can I get a kiss? Okay, so now on to become, and this means to show a change. So we can use the verb to get with adjectives, comparatives, and past participles. Here you have some examples. And 3 examples of these in use are, in summer it gets hot, in summer it becomes hot. I hope I get better at English. I hope I become better at English. And I need to leave. Say, I'm getting bored. Okay, we are over halfway through now. So number 4, to bring, to buy or to find. Now, these ones depend a little bit on the context. So for example, with the first one, can I get you a drink? This could mean to buy. If, for example, I'm in a bar with my friend, if I say, can I get you a drink? It probably means, can I buy you a drink? But if I have my friend over at my house, it would mean, can I bring you a drink? Because I'm going to get it and bring it from the kitchen. Then we have, I need to get some new clothes. Well, this is going to mean, I need to buy some new clothes. Finally, were you able to get the information? Were you able to find the information? So now on to number 5, where get is added to have or to have to, but without the meaning changing. So in some situations, there are 2 ways of saying exactly the same thing. So let's look at to have first. I've got examples of the affirmative, the negative, and the interrogative. I have so much money. I wish this was true. I've got so much money. So we contract the I have. I've got. We cannot use the contraction without got in this case. I've so much money doesn't exist. So I have so much money or I've got so much money. On to the negative. I don't have any friends. I've not got any friends. The not goes before the got, and again the contraction is used. The last one, the interrogative. Do you have enough time? Have you got enough time? Note that no contraction is used in the interrogative. And now the examples for to have to. The affirmative, I have to tell her. With get, I've got to tell her. Same meaning. The negative, she doesn't have to come. With get, she hasn't got to come. The interrogative, do you have to leave? With get, have you got to leave? And that's it. So now on to the final one, last but not least, expressions with get. Now there are loads of expressions that use the verb to get. So I've chosen 5 for you. I've just realised this is a bit messy. Sorry, I hope you can read it. The first one is, do you get it? And this means, do you understand it? So I often ask my students in class if they get something. I'm asking if they understand something. The next one, did you get it right? Did you answer correctly? I ask my students, how many did you get right in an exam? How many questions did they answer correctly? I need to get going. This is very common in English. I need to start to leave. You probably want to leave, but you don't want to be impolite. Then we have, we didn't get off to a good start. This means we didn't begin well. You are getting on my nerves. This means you are annoying me. If someone gets on your nerves, they annoy you. Well, I hope you got all that. Haha, get expressions. Well, really, I do hope that you understood all that. If you didn't, watch it again and remember that there are subtitles on the video. Please use them because it takes me honestly about 2 hours to write the subtitles for my videos because I just speak so much. But if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for being such lovely students, and I'll see you in the next video.